Ever wondered when to use var, let, or const in JavaScript? Let's break it down in just 60 seconds. Var is function scoped and can be redeclared, but it doesn't respect block scope. Even though varx is declared in the block, the function testvar is still able to access it. Let is block scoped and can't be redeclared, making it safer. Here we define a new function testlet and assign value 10 to x. Now we get a reference error since x is not accessible in function testlet and only in the if block. This prevents accidental variable leaks. Const is also block scoped, but you can't reassign it. If you don't need to change a value, const is the best choice. So remember, use let for variables that change and const for constants. Avoid var unless you need function scope. Like and subscribe for more JavaScript tips.